I'm Lips.
And I'm Rob Reiner.
We're from the band Anvil. And we're here to tell you our new album, Hope and Health, should be out in May, and we can't wait. We were first looking for a title that was, of course, in the Anvil alliteration titles like, you know, Heart and Heavy, Metal on Metal, Pound for Pound, Juggernaut of Justice. I had written the music for a title track, so one day I was playing the riff and all of a sudden it just struck to me, Hope and Health. The actual album cover artist came up with the idea of putting the Anvil in a desert by an oasis. And then all of a sudden it just clicked in my mind, Noah's Ark and hell. The people are escaping hell, getting on the ark. It's the last hope in hell, so.
Metal on metal, it's what I crave. The louder the better, I'll dirt in my grave. Metal on metal.
Songwriting this time round was an incredible experience. We'd been out on the road for almost 2 years straight after Juggernaut. We got off the road and Rob and I went into rehearsal, and it was a really, really quick process. We went at it with a vengeance. After, of course, working with Bob Marlette on the last album, he really made me come to realize a lot about the song structures that I used to use, and I went back to that sort of same format. Let's just do what the first thing comes to our mind instead of overwork the song so that they become complex for the listener as well as for us to play.
Metal on metal! Everybody singing, come on!
We haven't had that much memorability in our music probably since the early days when we used to write like that anyway.
Hello, 1983.
Yeah. Really did it this time. I really feel totally fulfilled from this particular run.